Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Jay Bry, coming to you guys with another review. This one here is brought to you by Man Sports, a pretty new company that's out right now. Man stands for Metabolic Augmenting Nutrition. Anyways, they have a new protein product out, and some of you guys are like, oh, protein, what? Because there's like so many protein products on the market. This one here is supposed to be revolutionary. If you look here, concentrated bioactive protein. And this is a next generation protein. Both of those statements I just made have little crosses by them, showing you that these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. Product is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure, or prevent any disease. Any of that good stuff. Anyway, suggested uses here: mix 1 scoop PF3, 10 ounces of water pre-workout for maximum performance combined with game day. I think that's another one of their pre-workout products. I'm not really familiar with all the Man Sports products. Again, it's a pretty new company to me. Maybe they've been around for a year or two. I'm not really sure. On Anabolic Minds, I think they seem like a pretty newer company. But anyways, getting into this, the best time to take PF3 at training days, obviously post-workout. Take this every day. Anyways, they sent me 2 tubs of this. Each tub of this, I opted for unflavored instead of fruit punch. So I got 1 grape and 1 unflavored. 50 servings in a little small container. If you look at these little containers, they're not very big. This is my bicep. This is the container, about the same size. My biceps maybe. Yeah, anyways. Look at the supplement facts here. Calories, 10 calories per serving. Total amount of fat in the serving is 0 grams. That's nice. Sodium, 13 milligrams. Carbs, 0. Protein, 2.5 grams. Proprietary blend, minimum 75% bioactivity. So this is one of the big things. They're saying that this is bioactive protein. That normally 3% of your powder actually does something. The other whatever percent I got it listed over here doesn't do anything. Let's see, the other 97% they say is just a waste. That's what the claims is, and this is supposed to be way better than that. There's been a whole lot of talk on all the different things. This is a micro batch, a very small batch being made. Anyways, you got pure PF3, which is basically serum protein isolate. There is some info out there on serum protein isolate. I'm not 100% familiar because this is pretty new to me. Some of you guys have caught my Pepto Pro review, my Hydro Whey 500 review. I really like hydrolyzed whey proteins. I'm really into that right now. Some of you guys may not like, oh, protein, let me just drink milk, I'm good. Chocolate milk's researched and studied, got data behind it. But I'm always out to give new proteins a try. I'm going to give this a shot and see how it is. It also has betaine hydrochloride. This is a complex ingredient. You guys can look it up, the ingredient list for this, and read about what that is. I'm not going to get into all that because it's a little bit complicated, but it's supposed to help in digestion of this protein. This is the first concentrated bioactive protein. It's got a perfect ratio of growth factors and peptide protein fractions, and it mixes instantly and tastes great. Well, unflavored hopefully tastes unflavored. Let's see anything else on here. No, looking at the supplement facts, this here is the grape. There's no sugar in this either. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so that's the PF3 I'm going to be trying out, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be taking this every day. It's got 50 servings. I'm going to try to break this down into a month and have this used up by the whole month. So I'm not even doing the math right now, but I'll do it later. And stay tuned for that. Man Sports is also kind enough to send me a new product here that I'm kind of not sure about. It's called fermented leucine. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever tried a bulk leucine product. S&S sells leucine. I have a tub of it up above my fridge. Leucine tastes horrible. It is not fun tasting. Fermented leucine, I don't know how that's going to taste, but this is unflavored. These 2 little free tubs that they sent me, as well as the protein. So I wasn't aware they were going to be sending this, so I didn't do any pre-research on this product. Ultra soluble leucine powder, pharmaceutical grade fermented ultra soluble. Gives your weight recommendations. 100 to 150 pound athlete, you should use 1 scoop. 150 to 200 pound athlete, which would be me, 1.5 scoops. And a 200 pound athlete, 2 scoops. I got 2 tubs of this to break down into a month, so I'll be using a lot of scoops from this too. But I'll definitely be giving this a shot. Currently, I don't have any pre-workout to be using right now, so guess I'm gonna have to get some. Because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to drink this stuff straight, depending on how it tastes. That's it for the supplement facts. Doesn't list any other ingredients. I'm sure there are some in there. Promote positive nitrogen retention. Ignite anabolic response to training. So this should create an anabolic environment and hopefully intensify the anabolic environment that the PF3 is supposed to create. So if you look at the size of this versus like your 50-pound or your 5-pound tub of protein, this has 50 servings, and a normal 5-pound tub, I don't even remember anymore, it's been so long since I've used regular protein, will give you anywhere between 50 to 75 servings of protein in that. So this is supposed to be just as good as one of those big old tubs of protein. But anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to add some more here. Gonna chop this video up, edit it up. Man, pure PF3, that's backwards, but you know, you get the gist of it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have some initial taste tests, some updates on this, and I'll see you guys quick.